Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I am back with a little something different. I'll actually be doing a hair review on Gorgius wigs. I'm sure you all are very familiar with this company from being viral on TikTok. Their packaging was super cute. They gave me an elastic band, tweezers, clips, a brush for those edges, bobby pins, and most importantly, the wig, okay? Because that's what you're here for, the wig. I absolutely love the construction of this wig. It comes with an elastic band and it also has about 3 clips in the inside. I love this just because I'm always looking for something that has that little bit of extra security. You don't want your wig flying off. You know, these Houston wings are super strong. If you're in Houston, you know what I'm talking about. If you're not in Houston, come to Houston with this wig on and you'll most definitely see. Now I'm basically just prepping my hair. I'm basically just using a regular denim brush and I'm just brushing my hair back into a ponytail. Now with this wig, one thing that I love is that it's going to lay flat regardless. If you have braids or if you just want to throw your hair in a low bun, you can most definitely get away with doing so with this specific wig. Their stocking caps came in a pack of 2. I'm only using one. I don't have a reason to use both of them, so you can just put the other one to the side. Now I'm just going to make sure that the stocking cap is laying properly on my head. I want to keep my baby hairs out. I never like to push those back for whatever the reason is. I'm just extra. But yeah, just going ahead and putting on my stocking cap, and now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys some more details with this wig. It already comes pre-styled straight out of the box. So there's not much that you need to do once it's on your head. And one of the things that I love also is that there's no lace or no glue involved, so there's no need for products or laying down any baby hairs, just because who has time for that? Way before I moved out the house and did the damn thing. This is the back of the wig. You guys will see in a little bit that elastic band back there and also that comb. You see the ponytail. You can't even tell when I like turn my head around. It's non-existent with this wig on. Like I said, it's also good for braids, or if you have any other style and you just want to plop this on top, baby, it's gonna sit, okay? Period. Now you'll see me just adding in a little bit of leave-in conditioner. This is a leave-in conditioner that I made on my own. All I did was put a couple of drops of my favorite conditioner into a water bottle, mixed it up a little bit, spray a little some here, spray a little some there, and pretty much just kind of fluffed everything out with my hands. I don't like to use a brush or a comb, even if it's a denim brush. I didn't care to use it. I feel like my hands would do the job just as well. I'm sure you all can see the difference between the side that I'm spraying the leave-in conditioner on and the side that I have not touched yet. This leave-in conditioner is really just bringing in the curls. It's making everything pop, and when I tell you guys, I had minimal to no shedding with this unit. This hair is so soft. I ain't waste no time. I ain't never calling my name. To work every day, me and my dog. And at night I came out alright. All I want is we can move the same way, and I swear nothing changed. This entire process for me was so quick. Everything from putting on the wig cap, putting my hair in a ponytail, putting the wig on, styling it with the leave-in conditioner. This will literally take you 10 minutes or less. This is really good for my ladies that are on the go, my moms, if you are super busy with work, if you just want something that's just gonna give you that everyday natural summer look, I'd highly suggest for you guys to get this wig. So everything that you need to know about this wig will be down in the description. Just go ahead, click that link, enter promo code DAISHA17 and save you some coins, girl, okay? And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. But I was always focused. I